Alright guys, so as you can see, I spread the mask all over my face in a thin layer, and I tried to fill in the areas that seemed a little blotchy or missing. So it looks like this nose part's a little blotchy. I don't know why today. But anyways, it says leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will wash it off, rinse it off with warm water in a rag, and damp my face dry with a towel. And then I will put on their toner. The toner that I got from them is this, and it's the Butterfly Tea Toner, and it smells so good, and it feels really great on your face. It's like a toner, but I feel like it moisturizes your face too a little bit, which is nice. So that way if you have to put moisturizer on, you don't have to put a lot, just a little bit, and keep going. So this is what it looks like when the mask is on and it's drying. So right now it's getting pretty dry. It's not dry yet, so I know I got at least another 5 minutes to wait. So we're gonna start the timer and wait 5 more minutes, and then we'll rinse it off. All right guys, so we're waiting. I wanted it to be more of like a actual, like up close and personal type of video, so I was like, let's do a video but with like a vlog style, more realistic, instead of like, oh, so this is this product and this is da 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 da. So we're coming to you live and raw. I don't know why it looks a little blotchy, guys. I don't know why it looks a little blotchy, but it's probably because I just put some on right here, and then I just let it sit there before I actually rubbed it in or moved it around. So maybe that's why. But we got a couple more minutes left, and then we're gonna rinse our face off. Look like somebody threw up on my face. All right guys, so it's been about time, so we're going to rinse it off. The one thing I will say too is if you have lash extensions, like so, be careful with rinsing your face because you're not supposed to get your lashes wet unless you're using lash shampoo to clean them. So be careful. So your goal is to rinse off in sections if you have lashes, but you have to go around your eye. Voila. Voila, we are all rinsed off. My face feels so good. I can't even lie. It feels very soft. And it feels clean, like real clean. So now we're going to take our toner and we're going to spray it on our face. So usually I just take it, and it says hold it about 5 inches from your face or so, and just spray it like so. Ooh. This smells so good. It's great. Okay. I try to hold my hair back so that way my hair doesn't get like wet from the mist. And it's okay if you get your lashes a little damp because you actually, it dries so fast so you can't even really tell that it got any type of the toner on it. So now after that, I usually take my Pond's. And I usually take my Pond's after that. This is Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer, rich hydration. That, and I will apply some of this to my face to give it a little bit of moisture after using the Detox mask and the toner. And I usually just rub this in over my face, on my brows a little bit. Usually just rub it in like this a little. And that's usually all I do. I definitely would tell you guys that the Teami blend is amazing. The Detox is amazing. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about like the teas and all that stuff, and I haven't tried any of that. The Detox mask it's amazing. It makes my skin feel so good. Not only tonight will my skin feel good, but when I wake up in the morning, my skin will feel like less puffy. Like sometimes I wake up and I feel like my skin is like puffy. So it usually feels like less like swollen or puffy in the mornings. My skin is like very clear. You could barely see like any of these marks on my face, like scars. You can barely see any of that stuff in the morning too. So your girl be looking real fresh, like fresh faced it, but like in a good way in the morning. So the Detox mask is amazing. It's definitely worth getting. If you guys want to, I will put my code on the screen here, spicy20, so that way you guys can actually save on your purchase. I also link it in the description box with their website. I can't even tell you guys how good my skin actually feels. Like, I remember the first day I tried it, I was blown away. Like, wow. So yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely check out Teami blends. And like I said, I will put it in the description box below so you guys can use my code to save on $24 or more. And make sure you guys follow me on all my social media sites. I will put them down below, as well as in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all the jazz. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know if you guys try out any Teami blends products, and let me know in the comments if you guys want me to try out their tea, to give you the real tea or the real scoop on what's going on with it or not. Let me know. See you guys later.